If your Yale Assure Lock 2 is unresponsive or acting out of connected with your app, a hard reset is often the most reliable way to bring it back to normal. Smart locks depend on stored settings, user codes, and wireless connections. And when something in that system glitches, the lock can behave unpredictably. A hard reset clears everything pairings and configurations so the lock starts fresh like a new installation. Because this is a security device, it's important to follow the reset process correctly to avoid partial resets or setup issues afterward. Once done properly, you'll be able to set it up again without any of the previous problems. Let's go step by step. Try this. 1. Safely open the battery cover on the interior side of the lock. 2. Safely remove one battery to cut power temporarily. 3. Press and hold the reset button inside the lock. 4. Safely. While holding the button, reinsert the battery. 5. Keep holding until the lock indicates a reset lights or sound. 6. Release the button and proceed with fresh setup.